How to troubleshoot error code E36 on the A8 and A9 Aniioki Pro Max. Step 1. Check all motor connections. Inspect both the front and rear motor cables. Make sure all plugs are fully seated and the arrows align. Also check for bent pins, loose connectors, or damaged wire insulation. If everything looks good but the error stays, let's continue. Test each motor through the display. Switch to front wheel drive, see if the front motor spins normally, then switch to rear wheel drive. See if the rear motor spins normally. This tells you which motor or cable is causing the fault. If the front motor does not work, follow these steps. First, disconnect the motor wire from the fork area. Remove the wire holding brackets on the fork to free the cable. Take off the controller cover by removing the 6 screws and carefully pull the controller out to access all the connections. Pull the front wire out of the bike so you can access it. Unclip the zip ties holding the rear motor cable, disconnect the rear motor wire, connect the rear motor wire to the front motor connector coming from the controller. So right now we're trying to troubleshoot if it's the controller or the motor, and we switched it to front wheel drive. If the throttle spins the wheel, that means the problem's in the motor. If not, then the problem's in the controller. So right now we'll switch to front wheel drive by clicking this twice, the power button twice. Right now it's an all wheel, rear wheel, and front. You can see by the bicycle changing right here. So the rear wheel spinning, that means the problem's in the motor. Now we put everything back together. Disconnect the front controller wire, then route it back through the frame towards the front. Place the controller back into the frame and install the 6 screws on the controller plate. Connect the rear motor to its controller port. Connect the front controller wire back to the front motor and zip tie the cables neatly, making sure no wires rub against moving parts.